Have you ever wondered how businesses make informed decisions? How they predict trends, optimize their operations, or identify new market opportunities? The secret lies in data analytics. Today we'll take a deep dive into the data analytics lifecycle, a series of steps that transform raw data into actionable insights. Data analysis is the art of uncovering valuable insights from data. This process involves collecting, cleaning, transforming, and organizing data in a form that is easier to analyze, in order to find trends, insights, conclusions, and make predictions, which empowers data-driven decision-making in various fields. This process isn't just a one-off task. It's an ongoing cycle with several key phases. The first phase is asking the right questions. Here, businesses define the problem they want to solve or the insights they want to gain. It's about understanding the objectives clearly, whether it's predicting customer behavior, optimizing supply chains, or assessing the impact of a new marketing campaign. Next comes data preparation. This stage involves collecting and cleaning data. Data can come from various sources, like customer databases, social media, or industry reports. Cleaning ensures the data is accurate, consistent, and usable. It's a crucial step, as the quality of data directly impacts the outcomes of the analysis. Data quality is an important factor in data analytics. If your data is not of quality, then you risk to make a wrong decision. The process phase focuses on cleaning and transforming data into a shape that is easier to analyze. The fourth phase is data analysis. This is where the magic happens. Analysts use various techniques to explore and interpret the data. Techniques can range from descriptive and diagnostic to exploratory, inferential, predictive, and prescriptive analysis. Each provides a different perspective on the data, helping businesses make well-informed decisions. Next, we have the share phase. You have done a great job finding trends and insights in your data, but if you can't clearly communicate these insights in a form that is easy for management to understand, then no one will be able to make a decision. The share phase is all about communicating and interpreting results. The final phase is acting on insights. This is where businesses apply the findings from the data analysis to make strategic decisions. This could mean launching a new product, adjusting a marketing strategy, or implementing a new operational process. To wrap up, the data analytics lifecycle is a comprehensive process that transforms raw data into valuable insights. It starts with asking the right questions, followed by preparing and processing the data, analyzing it, and finally, share and act on the insights gained. Remember, data analytics isn't a one-time process. It's a continuous cycle that helps businesses adapt to change, anticipate trends, and make informed decisions. So, the next time you see a business making a seemingly calculated decision, know that there's a robust data analytics process behind it. And who knows? You might be the next data wizard who uncovers hidden trends and drives strategic decisions.